Get your glasses on. 3, 2, 1. An exciting new world of 3D entertainment has arrived, and Panasonic's suite of award-winning full HD 3D products let you experience it at its best. Whatever you love to watch on TV, it just gets better in Panasonic 3D. Love movies? Choose from Hollywood blockbusters on 3D Blu-ray disc, or receive 24 hours a day 3D broadcasts from DirecTV's dedicated In3D channel. Are you a sports fanatic? Nothing beats Panasonic 3D for putting you right in the center of all the thrilling action. Music concerts and even documentaries come to life like never before with Panasonic Full HD 3D technology. Panasonic even allows you to capture your own incredible 3D memories with our unique line of 3D camcorders and digital cameras. When it comes to 3D, the difference between ordinary and extraordinary is in the technology. And Panasonic Viera has the technologies recognized by industry experts to deliver an award-winning 3D experience. Panasonic's fast-switching phosphors help to reduce crosstalk or blurring of left and right eye images for crisp, focused 3D visuals even during motion scenes. The renowned contrast ratio of Panasonic Viera Plasma TVs also add to the remarkable 3D experience, producing rich, vivid colors and images with remarkable depth and realism. Lastly, Panasonic's Viera 3D Active Frame eyewear delivers clear optics and high-precision shutter control, continuously synchronizing with the Viera 3D TV for a truly stunning 3D entertainment experience. Enter the world of Panasonic Full HD 3D and see what amazing looks like. Panasonic, ideas for life.